Hi, my name is Ava. Welcome to my channel. Today you are going to learn how to make quick and easy pizza-inspired pasta anyone can make. Say goodbye to pizza. For this recipe, you only need a few ingredients. Prepare a pack of pasta of your choice. 2 cups of thick tomato sauce, half of a cup of cheese, a few slices of ham or pepperoni, 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, olive oil and oregano. Take a pan, add olive oil and caramelized diced onion on medium heat. When the onion is caramelized, add crushed garlic, chopped ham or pepperoni, tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, oregano, and enough salt to make the sauce as salty as you like. Increase the heat until the sauce starts to boil. Then lower the heat and let it simmer until it thickens and you cook the pasta. Add pasta to boiling salted water. Stir it for 20 seconds and cook it as per the instructions on the packaging. Preheat your oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your baking tray with oil. Add cooked and strained pasta to the thickened sauce and stir. Transfer it to the baking tray and cover it with thinly sliced fresh tomatoes and sliced or grated cheese. Put the tray in the oven for 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. Take the tray out of the oven and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Drizzle it with olive oil and serve. And that's it. Enjoy the new flavor. If you like this video, share it, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button and never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in another video with a new recipe.